Place the module so that it is level to the top of the frame where it's going to be installed, and then use a marker or a pencil to mark the 4 locations of the pilot holes. Using a 1/8 inch drill bit, drill pilot holes for the 4 1/4 inch self-tapping screws. Install the screws to secure the module to the frame. Attach the trailer's 7-way connector to the back of the control module. Connect the attached 7-way cord to the tow vehicle. With the trailer connected to the unit, it's time to pair it via Bluetooth to the app. This can be done in either the OneControl app for RVs or the CURT Automotive app for automotive. In the OneControl app, start by tapping the plus icon and selecting the Safety Systems from the menu. Once the device is found, tap the Connect to then begin pairing. On the bottom of your module, you'll find a 6-digit PIN code that will be needed to pair the device. Enter in the 6-digit PIN when prompted. Once the system has been connected, a message will indicate that the True Course has been connected successfully.